What's the meaning of anteater? Anteater. 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 Anteater.
An anteater is a mammal native to Central and South America that feeds primarily on ants and termites. They are known for their long snouts and sticky tongues, which they use to capture their prey. Anteaters have poor eyesight but a strong sense of smell that helps them locate their food. They have long, sharp claws for digging into termite mounds and ant colonies. Anteaters are typically solitary animals and can grow up to 7 feet long. They are slow-moving and spend much of their time sleeping in trees.